Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Canon LP-E17 is probably one of the most important accessories for Canon camera users, ensuring you never miss a crucial shot due to a dead battery. This in-depth review will cover everything from its performance and capacity to its lifespan and compatibility, helping you decide if it's the right battery pack for your needs and workflow, whether you're a professional photographer, a passionate videographer, or a casual enthusiast. Number 5. Artman LP-E17 Battery Kit. This kit provides 2 extra batteries and a rapid dual charger, extending your Canon camera's shooting time. It's compatible with a wide range of Canon EOS cameras, ensuring you're always ready to capture that perfect shot. The charger has multiple protections against overcharging, short circuits, and overheating, keeping your batteries safe. Each battery boasts a 1,300 mAh capacity, doubling your camera's runtime and letting you shoot more. Charge it via USB, car adapter, laptop, or power bank. The dual charger handles 2 batteries simultaneously. LED lights clearly show the charging status, preventing overcharging and ensuring your batteries are always ready. You get 2 LP-E17 replacement batteries, a dual battery charger, and a micro USB cable, everything you need. What we like. It boasts impressive compatibility with a wide range of Canon cameras. Its multiple safety features ensure worry-free charging. If you need a versatile charging solution for your adventures, this is the one for you. What people say. Each battery lasts much longer than Canon's one. I would say 1.5 to 2 times as long. The charger is amazing. It can charge 1 or 2 batteries at once, compared to just one on the Canon. The cord is USB-A to micro USB. This is much more universal than the Canon charger cable. These batteries are a perfect replacement for the M6 Mark II so far. They go in and out of the battery compartment quite easily, just as original, and the dual charger is great. Number 4. Artman Upgraded LP-E17 Battery. Introducing the Artman Upgraded LP-E17 battery, providing extended power for your Canon EOS camera. Capture more memories without worrying about low battery. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Canon EOS cameras, including the R series, Rebel series, and M series. It's the perfect replacement for your existing LP-E17 battery. It features a multi-layer protection system to ensure safe and fast charging. Rest assured knowing it has ULCE RoHS certifications. With a 1,300 mAh capacity, it doubles your camera's runtime. Capture more photos and videos without interruption. The included dual charger features an LCD screen, showing the charging status of each battery in real time. Charge 2 batteries simultaneously for uninterrupted power. Charge it using an adapter, car charger, laptop, or power bank. The flexibility ensures you're always ready to shoot. What we like. This one also has great compatibility across various Canon models. The intelligent LCD display provides real-time charging status. If you value precise charging monitoring, this is perfect for you. What people say. They have a quick recharging time and are great to have on hand on long days of shooting. I only needed 2 batteries to complete my day-long mini sessions, and still had power left over. They work just as well as the Canon original battery. These 2 got consistently more life than the OEM batteries, not much more but noticeable. The charger was great because it charges OEM and aftermarket batteries in a pair. It takes 5 seconds to swap it out and keep going. This model has battery level indicators when charging, which is very useful. Number 3. LP-E17 Battery Pack Plus Dual Charger. Introducing the LP-E17 Battery Pack and Dual Charger. It's designed to keep your camera powered up and ready to capture every moment. This high-capacity battery boasts 1,450 mAh and multiple safety features, including overcharge and short-circuit protection. You can trust it to perform reliably. It's compatible with a wide range of Canon EOS cameras that use LP-E17 batteries. Check the list to see if your camera is compatible. With a 5V2A input, it charges 2 batteries simultaneously in just 2 hours. Each slot charges independently, and LED lights indicate charging status. Charge it using wall chargers, power banks, car chargers, or laptops. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel. The package includes two LP-E17 batteries, a dual USB charger, a micro USB cable, and a camera cleaning cloth. Everything you need is included. What we like. It offers a powerful capacity for extended shooting time. It charges quickly, saving you valuable time. If you prioritize speed and efficiency in your workflow, this is the option for you. What people say. The charger efficiently powers up the batteries, ensuring that my wife's camera is always ready for her photography sessions. She's particularly impressed with the dual charging capability, which allows her to charge two batteries simultaneously, a real time saver during busy shooting days. The USB charging feature adds an extra layer of convenience, as it allows for charging through various power sources, including power banks, making it ideal for on-location shoots. The additional battery pack that came with the charger has been a lifesaver. It offers a similar performance to the original Canon battery, providing extended shooting time, which is crucial during long sessions or when shooting outdoors. Number 2. FirstPower LP-E17 Battery Kit. Introducing the FirstPower LP-E17 battery pack, providing double the power for extended shooting. Capture more memories without worrying about running out of juice. With a robust 1450 mAh capacity, these batteries significantly extend your camera's runtime. Keep shooting longer and never miss a moment. It seamlessly works with a wide range of Canon EOS cameras, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. Check the compatibility list to confirm yours is supported. The included dual charger features smart LED indicators, showing you the charging status at a glance. Charge two batteries simultaneously via USB for ultimate convenience. Multiple safety features are built in, such as short circuit and overcharge protection. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your batteries and equipment are protected. This kit includes two replacement batteries, a dual USB charger, a micro USB cable, and a cleaning cloth. Everything you need is right here. What we like. This provides a significant boost to your camera's runtime. The smart charger intuitively displays the charging status. If you're looking for peace of mind and extended shooting sessions, this is a great choice. What people say. The batteries worked perfectly for the entire 3 weeks, never once did I run out of power. After a day or two I stopped carrying a spare battery with me because there was so much power left at the end of the day. This product claims 1450 mAh while the Canon LP-E17 is rated for 1040 mAh. That's 40% largest capacity on this battery, supposedly. First time I used the batteries were at a wedding and I'll say it lasted the whole 3 hours I needed it for. Number 1. Batmax LP-E17 Battery Kit. Power your Canon EOS camera with the Batmax LP-E17 Battery Kit. It's designed for long-lasting performance and includes everything you need. This kit works with a wide range of Canon EOS cameras, including the Rebel series and EOS M series. Please note that battery life may not display on some models. Enjoy extended shooting time with these high-capacity 1040 mAh batteries. They use premium cells for reliable power and no memory effect. Batmax products meet high-quality standards. They are CE certified and rigorously tested to match OEM specifications. The kit includes two LP-E17 batteries, a convenient USB LED dual charger, a USB cable, and an instruction manual. Everything you need is right here. We stand behind our products. Enjoy a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It provides premium quality cells for extended use. It's CE certified, ensuring safety and reliability. If you prioritize a long-lasting battery with a solid warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great, last a long time. Bought these as spare batteries for my Canon SL3 camera and surprisingly they hold a good charge and last a long time. Fast sharing and great battery life. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.